Boo! Hi there, we're at AJ Hobbies. We're about to do an unboxing of wonderful coffins. Take a look at this. Will you look at that? Something that this huge, yeah, I know size matters, but in this case it really does. Take a look at this. 105-inch F161 Slick 105. Yep, all the way from Flight Model, imported by AJ Hobbies. And we'll be unboxing this little guy too. Yeah, I say little guy, but it's 93-inch wingspan. Holy moly. This is AJ Hobbies, and they carry a whole lot of stuff that you don't necessarily need to finish this, but it would help. For all your repairs, you know, since these things are covered by Ultra Coat. Hi. We have someone hiding here. Tell anyone. So, Hanger 9 Ultra Coat in stock here at AJ Hobbies. I'll figure out where this goes after. You know, for those little dings that you may encounter when you're taking stuff in and out of the car. A nice junk pile, man. Make an offer. I'm kidding. But probably he'll take it. He's a businessman. Look at all this stuff up here. Yep. Since it's springtime, birds are chirping, trees are cracking from the wind. You know, get something ready to fly. A whole raft of propellers. Yep. And meet Asan. Asan, this guy's from the Toronto club. Yes, he's shy. That's why he's trying to hide. All your electrical needs, XT60 connectors, XT90 connectors. Oh, wonderful stuff here for those that are afraid of gas. Just kidding. And by the way, there's always crackly
FM radio?
FM radio music playing here to calm you down as you take your wallet out of your pocket. You don't feel that anxiety. We have tons of stuff here. Cars. And if you don't like small cars, you can sit in this one. There we go. And Tony's famous, by the way. When you see him, you have to ask for his autograph.
Ciao, Tony.
Yes. And this is the world's famous Arden. Did you know this guy was a control line champion?
Everybody.
Control line, right?
Control line stunt.
Stunt control line, that's right.
Cool.
Two-time consecutive.
Excuse me, 2-time consecutive.
2-time.
That's right.
What are you fixing there, Arden?
Facing Tony's helicopter.
Oh, very nice. 600 size, looks like?
That's right.
Very nice.
Excellent. And he's got a collection of engines, Savox servos, JR radios. Holy mackerel, they don't exist anymore, but sort of.
OS engines.
OS engines.
And here's all the models for showing.
Oh, yeah. All right. Okay now?
Where you want a jet? Unboxing it is?
Yes. First we have to get rid of some of this stuff. By the way, you can get these nice, wonderful foamies almost ready to fly right here at AJ Hobbies. We'll just throw this somewhere, and along with this. All right. Come on down. There's pizza, not you.
There's pizza and drinks.
Yes. Okie dokie. So, clear the table. And let's see, what should we unbox first? We need a knife. We need a knife. Yes, maybe back there. Because, should we do the big one or a little one? Let's do the little one. Let's do the little one. All right. You want me to? Get out of my way. All right, let's move this first coffin here. This one here is a 93-inch Extra 330 SC. First thing we... Oh, you should start that camera for YouTube. Yeah. Aside from being in a huge box, and you can fit 2 Asans in here, Well, two, not just one.
2 A-stands?
That's right.
Oh my goodness.
A-stands. That's right. Did you find a knife or scissors? Oh, right there, scissors. Right on.
So Joe, what's the spec on that plane?
Well, this is a 93-inch wingspan, extra 330 SC, comes with side force generators, and it's pretty freaking light. I've been flying one of these for over a year now, and it's astounding how these things fly. It's you can literally go as slow as walking speed on a high alpha with this. Also